Now we're going to draw two graphs, a velocity time graph and a displacement time graph. With the velocity time graph, we begin by highlighting the time column and the velocity column. We go up to charts, scatter plot, and go to the straight mark scatter, and there's the graph done for us. Let's tidy it up and get rid of the legend. We don't need that this time. Let's put in the axis titles. Horizontal is time in seconds. Vertical is velocity in meters per second, and a title for the chart. So there's the velocity time chart done. That one's pretty straightforward. The displacement time one's a bit harder because the displacement column is separated from the time column. Here's one way you can do it. I'll just highlight the displacement and go for charts, scatter plot, and straight line scatter, and it's given us the correct displacement on the y-axis, but we haven't got time on the x-axis. So what we have to do is, as soon as I get this thing in place here, is we're going to have to go back and get the time information and put that on the x-axis. So what we can do to do that is go to select, and we've got the y values there. We know that we've got displacement, but for the x values we can select that, come over to the time column here, highlight that. That's what we want. Now it's okay. So when we look now at our displacement graph, we've got the correct amount of time, which is 5 seconds to that point, and we've got 15 meters that has been travelled. Now we put in the axis titles. Put in a chart title. And there's our two graphs to go with the columns of data. Just get rid of the legend again, doesn't serve any purpose with this graph. There we are.